Hello, I'm Michael Graves from Douglas Elliman, and I'm excited to welcome you here to the Apthorp, this incredible storied building from the turn of the century. This apartment is 2ABC. It is the largest ever offered at this incredible building. Imagine welcoming your guests here in this large entry foyer, adorned with a mosaic tile, Corinthian columns, and beautiful crown moldings. This is an entrance for the ages. Follow me. Built in 1908 in an Italian Renaissance Revival style, the Apthorp offers classic New York living at its best. And you can feel all that right here in this incredible living room. Beautiful original fireplaces, intricate frieze moldings, 11-foot ceilings, large bay windows, and huge living space, making this the perfect place to entertain on a grand scale. And speaking of grand, this palatial dining room can comfortably seat 18. And while you're dining, you'll never bore of the beautiful pre-war detail that surrounds you. Original marble fireplace, floor-to-ceiling wainscoting, and this incredibly intricate plaster ceiling. Imagine how nice it would be to dine your friends here and give them a truly old-world New York experience. This mansion-sized residence is spread out over 8,500 square feet, 9 bedrooms, and this room is being utilized now as a beautiful home office right on the tree line with glorious light. Who needs a country home when you have this much space to utilize? Pool, anyone? For more intimate gatherings, you can enjoy this living room. Original fireplace, Venetian plaster, tall ceilings, and gorgeous southern light. Here you can end your night with a glass of wine or curl up with your favorite book. This kitchen really has 2 of everything. 2 ovens, 2 sinks, even 2 beautiful windows overlooking this private courtyard. And this is the joy of living at the Apthorp. With so many rooms that can double as a home office, this could be the most productive home on the Upper West Side. Wait, that primary bedroom has to be around here somewhere. Just kidding, but this home is so large you can easily get lost in it. Right this way. I love this primary suite. It has everything you could need. Ensuite bathroom, multiple dressing rooms, even a home office, all filled with natural light coming through these large format windows. I'm gonna go out on a limb here, but this might be one of the best primary suites on the Upper West Side. Living at the Apthorp is a dream come true for anybody who really loves old world charm. And this grand apartment is its crown jewel. I'm Michael Graves, and it's been a pleasure giving you a tour today. Thank you very much.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.